Why don't your layers blend when it comes to your haircut? And that is what we're talking about today. The number one reason why your layers might be off, may not be blending properly, not laying properly, it's because of the haircut itself. I'm telling you right now, as someone who's worked on thousands of clients, cut thousands of heads, mannequins, I've seen everything you could possibly imagine. It all comes down to the actual technical ability of the person cutting your hair. Do they know how to cut layers properly? Do they know how to cut haircut shapes properly and layered shapes? I've seen crime scenes on people's heads before. How do you know if your layers are off? Because you may be saying to yourself, well, I don't know, I think my hair looks okay. If you get your hair cut, excuse me, and after you get your hair cut, you go home, you notice that, okay, it may look good because they styled it for you and, oh, it looks fine to me, but, I don't know, like maybe 2 days later, 3 days later, something seems very, very off. Maybe it looks very choppy, right? You're like, oh, when I style it and I notice when I comb it, there's like steps in my hair. Or you may be thinking to yourself, why is it laying like really, really flat here when I told the hair professional that I want layers, but it just like the corners here are just so flat to my head. It's all because of the layered shapes, the haircut shapes. I actually created downloadable PDF ebooks you could purchase based off of what haircut shapes are. I know everybody goes right to the face shape, but the haircut shape is really the number one thing that is going to give you the end result when it comes to your haircut. Then that will translate into your face shape. With haircut shapes, there's basically 3. There's rounded, square, very boxy, or triangular, going shorter to longer. And if you're getting the wrong haircut shape and it's not being cut the right way, that is going to be the number one reason why your layers are not blending, why they're not laying properly. So when it comes to blending layers, right, because we've got the layered shape and then the actual technical haircut itself, what causes steps in the hair? Well, if your hair looks very choppy, or like I mentioned, it does have steps in it, and a step is if I were to just take a section of hair like right here, and if I were to just chomp a piece of hair off, it's going to literally have a line, a step right into here. It's very, very obvious and very visible. So if you are seeing that in your haircut, that simply means that the hair professional did not blend the layers properly, which means when you take that piece of hair that has a line on it, and if you were to bring it up, you would most likely see this is very, very long and this is very, very short. What needs to happen is this is all weight into here. So all of this needs to get cut off to be more of a rounded or balanced shape. That is why your layers aren't blending. It's because the connection is not there from a technical standpoint. And that goes throughout the entire head. Even back here, let's just comb this out and through here. If there was a step in the back of your head, right, back into here, you could do the same thing, right? The hair gets combed straight out, and if you see this is much longer, this is much shorter, this is going to weigh on top of it, you're getting that weight line, it's because it wasn't cut straight out from the head, and that shape was not followed all the way throughout the entire head. That is what's causing the steps in the hair. The same thing, if you are to hold the hair out from the head, because hair grows where? Out from the head. So you were to comb this all straight out like this, you'll be able to see that this side is shorter because it has a bit of a cut here. It's chomped. So how do I fix this? Well, I need to, guess what? Take off that weight line, and now look what happens. It's even Steven, and the hair will now flow much, much better, and we don't have a weight line. So that's why your layers aren't blending. It's because it's simply not cut the right way. And yeah, it comes down to the skill level. It comes down to the person cutting your hair. Now watch this. Now I'm going to follow that same pattern, follow that, and there's the guide, there's from what we cut, and boom, guess what? Now you could see as I comb this down, that has a much nicer, a much better flow to it, right in through here. As I run my fingers through it, you can see right in through here. There's no more step, no more lines, nothing, because everything is flowing. And that technically is how every haircut should be that has layers in it. And it actually doesn't even matter what length the hair is, right? Here's another example of a mannequin that has much shorter hair, right? Look how short this hair is. It's the same exact concept. If this haircut is not connected properly and not blending, it's simply because maybe when the hair was held out this way, and you could literally, if you're a client watching this, you can go into the mirror and look and check. And if you see anywhere in this section here that this is a lot longer, this is a lot shorter, there's the proof right there. Now, depending on if you are getting a very specific type of haircut, meaning the style that you want does require to have some sort of, triangular shape or a specific shape to make that haircut work for you, that's a whole different story. But if you're trying to get a normal haircut, you've got a great head of hair, something is just off, you're seeing steps in your hair, you're getting a butcher job, it's because technically the haircut is not cut properly. It's not blended or layered properly. How does that happen when it comes to the person doing it? Well, there's a number of things. One, it could be body position. If they're putting themselves in a very awkward body position, let's just say they're going on this side, they're going to throw their, and I can't even do because my back hurts. I've done numerous videos on this, not to do this, but you may see them throwing their arms over, which means, guess what? They're now cutting downwards this way, whereas this side, the right way, is they're cutting up this way, or they should be at least, and following the head shape. So instead of just turning the head or the chair and standing this way and cutting the match, no, they throw the arm over. So it could be their body position. Also, the arm positioning. If you see, my arm is pretty much level here. So if I'm holding up a section of hair and I'm cutting it even, we're even Steven. Now, if I start to go like this, you could see the elbow will pretty much dictate where the layer and the shape is going to go. So shorter to longer, longer to shorter. See, I'm dropping down the elbow, which directly affects the hair. As you can see, I go down, now I'm cutting downwards. Now I'm cutting upwards. So their arm position, their body position, the tension, all of these things matter from a technical standpoint. Where does that put you as a client? Well, maybe it's time to find someone who's, guess what, better at cutting hair. If you're going to a restaurant and you're tired of eating the crappy food that chef keeps putting out, go to a restaurant. It's the same exact thing with any trade. If you hate the way the landscapers cut your lawn, hire a new landscaper if they butcher the lawn. Whatever service you're doing, there's always other and better options. So the reason your layers aren't blending, it's simply technical from all those things I described. And if you're interested in booking maybe a one-on-one VIP consultation with me, a Zoom call, I get people from all over the world. I basically have a virtual salon at this point. It's a VIP service. It's a Zoom call where I analyze your hair. I create images of haircuts I think will look good on you. You're getting me, my real-world advice. It's a premium product. It's a premium experience, but it's something that is mind-blowing of how I present it to you and the value you get from it. So you can actually click right here and book something with me anywhere in the world. And if you want advice on your hair, and if you're also interested in those PDF ebooks of understanding haircut shapes, they're available too. But you can also go to shop.thesalonguy.com. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you soon.